Hi and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, I want you to subscribe, like and share my videos. Happy holidays to you and your families. I hope everything is going on well with you. And today I want to talk about an important issue, and this has to do with the economy of our country, Nigeria. So I've been seeing some videos recently and posts where women are posting about onions. Onions, yeah. They've been posting about the price of onions. Like this 6 bulb of onions can be up to 10,000 naira, or maybe between 5 and 10,000 naira. And it's been very disturbing to be seeing that, and I'm wondering what's going on. Why are are the leaders seeing what is going on, and what are they doing to help these women out? And the next thing, we started seeing videos and posts of people buying during public events where they went to receive handouts for the festive period, where they went to receive food distributions for the festive period. Like, we have between 50 to 70 people buying at these events due to stampede. So they had more people going out to these events to receive these gifts because things are not as easy as they used to be. So I hope the government is seeing these videos and have plans to help out these women and different families, especially during this festive period and even after the festive period. Let it not just be during the festive period alone, okay? So I hope the government comes out to, help people out, give some kind of relief for this economic hardship going on in the country. Yeah, so there were a couple of incidents. First at Ibadan, certain number of people, about 35 people, died at an event where they were supposed to receive Christmas gifts. At another event again in Abuja, certain number of people died in their tents. And again, somewhere in the eastern part of Nigeria, more people have died at these different events. And this is not the first time that they're having this kind of event. Why is it that there's so much stampede now? You have so many people going out there to get help from people organizing these events. This is a wake-up call to let the government know that their citizens are going through some tough times and they need relief, so help from the government. So different leaders, state governments, the federal government, community leaders can help out so that everybody don't have to go to one major event leading to their leading to stampede and people buying in the process. So church leaders, different community leaders, should come to the aid of these women to help them out, to help families out during this festive period and after the festive period. Yeah, so that is it for the government part. So the second part I want to talk about is for people to start learning to do small gardening, planting, farming. Okay, so if somebody is buying onion like this for 10,000 naira or little bit less, onion is just one of the condiments you need to cook. So how much will it cost to make a pot of soup? You have to buy pepper, tomato, salt, and everything, and buy the protein also that goes into the pot of soup, and also buy the swallow. How much, if this is costing that much, if onion is costing that much, how much does it cost to make a pot of soup now in Nigeria? So this is a wake-up call also for the citizens to start learning how to farm, how to do small gardening. If you are able to buy your onion, if you can afford to buy one onion, don't just eat it like that. This is also your seed. So learn to plant it. Plant the onion. Take the parts that you will eat and take out the middle part and plant it. It doesn't take long for onion to grow. The same thing with your pepper, your tomatoes, beans. Eat the parts that you will eat and plant some. You will be surprised that in a few periods you will have your own little garden, having your pepper, tomatoes, and just little things like that that you can use for your family. Okay? People are doing it here where I live. Yes, people are turning their balcony to their little garden farm. Okay? People who have a backyard, they are also turning their backyard to gardens where they plant their pepper, tomatoes, vegetables. Yeah, because they want to eat more healthy food. They don't want to eat genetically modified food or trans food. They want to eat healthy food. So they are turning their backyard to gardens. People who don't have backyards are turning their front porch or their balcony to their little garden. You think you will see flower pots there, you think they are just flowers, but no, some of them are vegetables that people eat. People grow or plant yam in bags. Yes, bags like a bag of salt or bag of rice. People are using it to plant yam. People are using their balconies to plant pepper, tomatoes, vegetables. So I think our women in Nigeria can do that also. Start thinking of a way to also start doing your small gardening, planting one or two things there, so you don't have to spend money to buy most of the things you need to cook your pot of soup. Okay? So I hope that the government comes to people's aid, and also while you're waiting for the government, go out there, start planting things. Plant your own vegetables, plant your own onion, plant your own pepper and tomatoes. Once you buy the pepper, take out some seeds and plant them. Pepper don't take too long to grow. Plant tomatoes, plant beans, plant efo, plant, bitter leaf, all the different vegetables that we need. So this is just all I have to say. Remember that when you buy your ingredients that you use to make your soup, it is also your seed. It's not just your food. It is also your seed. You can plant some part of it. Okay? You can take out the seed of your tomatoes and pepper, plant them. The stalk of your vegetable, plant them. They will grow. Don't just throw away the unused part. Okay? Plant them, grow them. Start some farming, gardening. Okay? You'll be surprised at what you can get out of your little garden that you can also use to support your family for food, for cooking. Okay? So God bless you all. I wish you a happy holidays. May the good Lord continue to protect and keep all of us. God bless you. Remember to subscribe to this channel and also click the notify button so that you can receive updates when new videos are posted. I come on this channel once in a while, but click the notification button to receive updates, and also like and share this video. Okay, a lot of women out there, they don't know how to, how to handle this current situation. So share this video for people to watch so that they can know what to do. God bless you. See you some other time. Bye.